What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a quick comparison between the stock suspension and the Eibach Stage 1 Pro Truck lift kit that I put on my 2019 F-150. This isn't going to be a review video for the Eibach kit, but I've had it on my truck for a while now and I'm absolutely loving it. In my opinion, it's a little bit stiffer but in a much better way than the stock suspension. There isn't as much body roll. It feels a lot tighter in the turns, and overall it just makes for a better ride, and I much prefer it over the kind of spongy stock suspension. So in this video I just have a few side-by-side clips of the stock suspension and the Eibach suspension going over the same bumps and through the same forest service road. I did want to note that since these videos were filmed, I did put on bigger tires and aftermarket upper control arms. The stock upper control arms with the lift were at a pretty rough angle and the ball joints were really worn out. It is a truck with 180,000 miles on it, so expecting those to hold with 3 inches of lift added is just not reasonable. So I did end up adding aftermarket upper control arms from KSP, and they significantly improved the suspension feel up front as well as the handling. So if you're going to lift your truck with the Eibach Pro Truck lift kit and you go above like 2 inches, definitely go for some upper control arms, because they're going to make the ride a lot better. So I'm pretty much just going to post the footage without comment and see what you guys think. So feel free to drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about the difference between the stock and the Eibach setup. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. What differences did you guys see between the stock and the Eibach suspension? For me, the differences, you can't really see them quite as much as you can feel them. So if you're thinking about going with an upgraded suspension like the Eibach Pro Truck Lift Kit, definitely go for it, or try to ride in someone's truck and see how you feel about it, because it's definitely a little bit tighter, a little bit more sporty. But it is a little bit bumpier. You feel those little bumps a lot more. It soaks up the big ones a lot better though, so there's a bit of a trade-off when you are upgrading suspension like this. But anyways, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.